Bunny everybody mo kí ẹ̀yin ti Tẹ́ni ọmọ ológo káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì mi ẹ kú àárọ̀ mo tún mú àwọn ìròyìn wá lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan láàárọ̀ ká tó máa lọ mo kọ́kọ́ mú fídíò mo fẹ́ fún yín láwọn fídíò kan tó yẹ pé ẹ ti miss tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú àná yìí sí lẹ́nu ìjẹta sànà tó yẹ kí n ti mú wá fún yín.
Members are helping themselves. Èyí tẹ́mi ṣe fún gbogbo àwọn àgbàlagbà ẹ̀mí ní láti bọ́ta sọ. So I won't say my own, I will say what others are doing. Iti momo. But Kemi Afolabi don't need problem to keep by Yashida. Funka Kidene gave her money. Yabo Ojo gave money. Toya Imaku gave money. Messi Aibe gave money. And a host of others. Mama Boti. They all came out, they supported. I gave what I can give. Gbogbo a ṣe wọ́n ta lè ṣe yàtọ̀ sí pa bọ́ta sọ pé ẹ̀ràn wá lọ́wọ́ because àwọn kọ́kọ́ wà tó máa ń kọjá agbára wa. So it was the problem to ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn veterans accumulated problem ni. Ó kọjá nǹkan tí àwa ta jẹ́ present artist ta lè yanjú ẹgbẹ́ àsọtọ̀ yẹn fáwọn èèyàn. So ẹni tó bá rò pé mo ní reason láti bọ́ta kó bọ́ta kíá. Get help. Agbala Gabriel, thank you for what you're doing. Mo dúpẹ́ pé ẹ sọ pé àwọn ọmọ church yìí kan lè fẹ́ ràn lọ́wọ́ ẹnu ọwọ́ fẹ́ síta ìjọ yín ò ní tú. Ọlọ́run máa ṣe inú ọ̀rọ̀ yín. Charity is one of the biggest religion. It's humanity. And it's all about them. Veterans are lower. I am saying a huge thank you on behalf of them. You know the tower yín, Ọlọ́run mama kà fún yín, gbogbo bí táwọn ọmọ yín bá ti ń retí ìrànlọ́wọ́, àbí tó yẹ kó ẹ̀kọ́ jí sí kòtò ni, Ọlọ́run àròjọ tẹ dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún àwọn àgbààgbà yìí tó yẹ kó wọ́n ní hope kankan mọ́, Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ ṣe kí ni á jáde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún àwọn yín, àtẹ̀yìn náà. Thank you so much and God bless you. Thank you. Good day, everyone. I am doing this particular broadcast to specifically address the president of Tampan, Mr. Latin, that is Mr. Bolaji Amusan JP. Mr. Latin, you are president of Tampan, and by implication, you are the president of professionals in that association. You're not a president for social media. And whenever issue arises, I would appeal you take your time before you respond. And I've advised long time ago that you need a special advisor on media so that things will pass through the person and there will be serious censorship. You are human. If care is not taken, you will make mistakes like the one you just did with denying that those seeking help, actors seeking help, are not members of Tampan. Olewu, I need to be honest with you. Emi, I will tell you the truth. The last time I did the movie Okoyabo, without benefit of a doubt, I want humble and sorrow social media. They are bloggers. Most of these people tell follow audience. They are not professional. They don't follow the ethics of journalism. You are way ahead of them. You are a professional filmmaker, for crying out loud. A professional journalist will have to balance or take their time before they even ask you. I want to commit. I want to be the time when you be but I want to post. You don't have to respond. Ìjọba ní sọ pé nítorí pé yóò san tax. Àbí tó ráwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ tax lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kò san ilé ẹ̀njó. Àbò ní accident ó wá ní kan náà lọ́wọ́ o. Kọ́ wá nítorí pé kí ìjọba governor ya lọ́wọ́ tax pé nítorí ẹni yẹn ò san tax. Ìdílé àwọn ò lè ràn lọ́wọ́ àbí kìíní kan. That government is gone. It's gone. Ó ti irú ìjọba yẹn ti pé ogun because that is not what leadership is all about. So most of our time, the other time you even went to grant interview with that woman, one woman, to her languages, her lifestyle, and everything is nothing. I don't know how members, because Papa, you need to stop. We are all colleagues. Tọ́mọ bá kọjá lórí fún àwọn òbí ó ti kọjá òmọ́jú o. tẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ sọ yẹn pé àwọn tí àwọn ará ayé ń ràn lọ́wọ́ they are not responsible because tẹ́ bá sọ pé yóò sanwó ojúwe kò ń ṣọmọ ẹgbẹ́ you are saying they are not responsible and people will suffer restraint and then ó máa kó bá mental health wọn. These people have been long neglected and ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ tọrọ fáwọn ará ilé gbogbo àwọn veterans tó ń jáde ṣàfẹ́ sọ pé wọn ò ṣiṣẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ṣiṣẹ́ nígbà tí wọ́n wà nígbèwe wọn àbí wọn ò ní talent ni ṣebí piracy ni ò jẹ́ kí wọ́n jèrè iṣẹ́ wọn tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà aráàlú yóò mọ̀ pé things are not working well ìtìjú ẹjẹ́ package ẹjẹ́ àṣìbẹ̀ páyé gbogbo nǹkan lọ fún wa dáadáa òun ló fà tí wọ́n fi ń dákẹ́ wọ́n láti enjoy ìgbẹ̀yìn ayé wọn. And when they personally as a professional come out to express themselves charity ni wọ́n béèrè fún. Àwọn American soldiers veterans British veterans àwọn aráàlú ṣì ń donate fún wọn. So instead of about okay, it's something all association can come together and say, okay, let us create a platform where we can ask Nigerians, the fans, okay, sponsor a Nollywood veteran. And to an interest, go apply síbẹ̀, wọ́n fi details síbẹ̀. Àkọ́mọṣẹ́ pé gbogbo àwọn veterans wọ́n ní same accounts, committee yẹn ló mọ wa mọ́.